Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Lee and I'm coming to you guys today with a clean with me video. Right now I'm in Dollar General. I'm just picking up some cleaning supplies and then I'm going to be headed back home to clean my bathroom. So if you guys would like to see what items I picked out and how I like to clean my bathroom, let's just hop right into the video. Okay, so I made it home and this is the items that I picked up from Dollar General. So now I'm just going to get ready to clean my bathroom. First things first, I'm just going to move everything out of my shower and out of the tub so I can get ready to clean. I like to clean my shower and my tub 2 times. I like to go over it twice when I'm cleaning to get it as clean as I can. When I'm cleaning my shower, I like to clean the head of my shower because sometimes it likes to have water stains on it, so I like to have that clean as well. Okay guys, that is how I clean my bathroom. Now I'm just going to go in and I'm just going to vacuum my bedroom. I absolutely love this vacuum powder. It has the best smell. It leaves your room smelling so good. If you guys like videos like this, let me know down in the comment section. If you guys have any video suggestions, also let me know down in the comment section. I just want to thank you guys for tuning into my video. Make sure you guys keep your bathrooms clean, and I will see you guys on the next video.